of monks in the world. I thank you in the name of the mother of religions. And I thank you in the name of millions and millions of Hindu people of all classes and sects. I am proud to belong to a religion which has taught the world both tolerance and universal acceptance. We believe not only in universal toleration, but we accept all religions as true. The present convention, which is one of the most august assemblies ever held, is in itself a vindication, a declaration to the world of the wonderful doctrine preached in the Gita. Whosoever comes to me, through whatsoever form, I reach him. All men are struggling through paths which in the end lead to me. Sectarianism, bigotry, and its horrible descendant, fanaticism, have long possessed this beautiful earth. They have filled the earth with violence, drenched it often and often with human blood, destroyed civilization, and sent whole nations to despair. Had it not been for these horrible demons, human society would be far more advanced than it is now. But their time is come, and I fervently hope that the bell that tolled this morning in honor of this convention may be the death knell of all fanaticism, of all persecutions with the sword or with the pen, and of all uncharitable feelings between persons wending their way to the same goal. I think I should tell you a story which would illustrate the cause of this variance.
নারায়ণ সকাশে নর ঋষি. Narendra being taught by Sri Ramakrishna, that is, making of the Swami Vivekananda from Narendranath Datta, and later he speaks in the Chicago address that we can listen in this particular creation. God bless the world. God bless the world. God bless the world. God bless the entire humanity who has been creating such visual facilities for the world. Namosri Jyotirajaya Vivekananda Suraye Satchit Sukha Sarupayo Shamine Tapora Harine Yathagne Dahika Shakti Ramakrishna Sthita Hija Sarva Vidya Sarupang Tang Sharodang Pranamamaham. Om Sthapakaya Cha Dharmasya Sarva Dharma Sarupine Avatara Varishthaya Ramakrishnaya Te Namo. Om Sri Ramakrishna Arpanamastu.